Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to hard reset Ikea STYRBAR smart light switch. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, if the light switch or remote isn't pairing with your device or keeps disconnecting, a hard reset might help resolve these issues. So if you want to connect your light switch or remote to a new device and need a fresh start, a reset can clear previous settings here. So how do you exactly do this? Well, the first thing you want to do here is you want to turn the main switch on and off 6 times in a row. Now, this action will trigger a reset for the light switch. Also, locate the pairing button on the remote control. Press the pairing button 4 times with a span of, or in this case, within a span of 5 seconds. Make sure not to exceed this time frame, or the reset won't work. Now, once you've completed the reset, you can pair the light switch or remote with your device again. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.